Shibun Fibro session part kijing tip nam ta Khubor Laitkam te hakane ka video komentar am tip Tylli ki post ki belai lak jong ki post te kita gilong kini pada de Tylli na kini ki de po NEIGRIHMS okay, advertisement for recruitment of project staff for ICMR kini ru kini gede dam ta project te gede contractual basis bet mo kini la ban hakano no por la ban kut la ban extend kata ka shongat ko yu te kini gede walk-in interview for the post of staff nurse and data entry operator DEO under ICMR extramural project title. Teman-teman kamu play itu dengan 10 bitang ke bulan kampanye will be held on the 19 October 2020. Khandai tarik jong berai Oktober akan mau kaneka walk-in interview in the Department of Community Medicine, New Medical College building, Director Block side, 4th floor, Maudiang Diang NEIGRIHMS. Deskan mau bahas benda ha kaneka address bakala kibakilaong nakan mau bahas ketika por pinlek ketika interview. NEIGRIHMS long registration of candidate kan sedang lu khandai baje step hadu 10 baje tang khandai baje hadu 10 step step hi followed by interview at 10:45 am on the 19 October 2020. Deskan mau bahas kini ki jeng batai hang ki detail ba kan de khandai hi kan sedang registration lu khandai hadu 10 step nang tapre sa khandai subsan sedang ketaka walk in interview. This post will be purely contractual for a period of 4 months or till the completion of the project. Kani saw banai te lane anda lakut hadu rakut ka project ro. Whichever is earlier in the unselected candidate shall have no complaint for permanent post following the completion of the tenure. Ini di contractual baik dah tiba. Kawan kau kani staff nurse dan tangkawai. They kani minimum second class in nursing or equivalent CGPA 3 years GNM course or equivalent registered nurse with any state nursing council. Jadi aktif hi ke bagi nursing kila aktif ya kani te ka tulop namun kani life wager sanspa shibanai duration 3 months operation limit adu life ho tiga kwa apna apply te ka baar kare data entry operator kani dan takawai kani pass class 12 intermediate of 12 pass from recognized board class 12 ma pass te kiba ke tama gede mendon ni kata ka computer knowledge ma mar DO kade bin ta ka computer advanced knowledge of computers and data entry and previous experience in field study, fluency in local language and English. Te la pila don ki certificate computer pila ban apply nomor la phim don phinam kinam la ban yo kham yo ki badon hi te ki badon ni computer la dep training computer la dei diploma la dei 3 months 4 months ki la ban apply te ka dei khat nyo hajar shibanai kane ro ka dei contractual 3 months the age up to 25 age limit up to 25 ne tha. The above job demand field travel within East Khasi Hill district Meghalaya tang apo East Khasi Hill hi mo. The age limit la bata yang tu te ke jeng tiba khamne ya kan ka notice ho phila bani apo official website jo kan NEIGRIHMS nga sabu apo ka description phila ban check on puli bah ki detail ki bede berkane bala ko apna apply bro ko ban tip ha mo. The post will be purely contractual. Okay, tengan puli bun ni ki baro tengan sub patai tang ki bron kam. Candidate are required to bring the following certificate in original and self-attested copy of each at the time of interview. Te ha for interview te la tip hi phabra alur baro but kibala xerox but kiba ada attested but ki original baro habra alur baro. Proof of age, class 10 or matriculation certificate, date of birth if mentioned, certificate of academic qualification, work and research experience certificate, 2 passport size photo, valid ID proof like Aadhaar, PAN, passport, update CV 1 page. Please note interview is tentative and candidate advised to check website. Te kadao ngasong phi ba phia ban check be po website je kum no pin kala te phila ban tip ba kala pin kala kam ta te check be official website jong ka NEIGRIHMS nam ta ni post te ndai ya man ta pade kan de be ka kha khandai tarik nam ta ka walk in interview. Te sakan mau ban le ka boran kam non kam ban somiri e shura be jarak kam don kinam khot pha somit lupa ki shu phin hap shule be jarak ka tu kasni. Sekan mau play by instruction te nam ta kini post ki ong ba lada ki ba apply ki ba wan kata ka interview ki bun live hongut ya ka post te kin sapan long no daka exam lada ki dunai ka live hongut kemud ba kin pen le be daka interview kin le be ka to singhi man labun ya ka live ho kin la shun pen dep te haban no daka exam te kin suppose interview te ka age limit nam ta kini kala ban relax kat kum kan ka government of India rules ki la ban relax ma ada relax murkan debej plus 5 years relaxation amta ki ST category ten mark stop begum ta te hila ban lej lara phila tam shubum ka DO ka de absence name ten marwa ki ong la ban relax kum ka yu te la ban debej hadu life ho te sa kan mau ban lai kebron kam ban rai ki document ai sa le ja ketika sini te nam ta ki jingte ba khamni phap le be official website sa check ba yo ki pen kala ne yo ki nuk nu tama yamta kan de bet khat khnai de Oktober arjar ar lai sa ko part ka post kanero ka de po NEIGRIHMS si te kanero ka post jong project technical officer kanero de contractual hi te kadon ka ka post te ki qualification nam ta kanero ka de post graduate in life science bada ka post graduate in life science ada ko apna apply selama apply lane relevant subject lane from a lane relevant subject from a recognized university mut ke relevant ya ka life science declare mention kano kanoro te shong kumta prior experience in research project is preferred bladon experience haki research project ki kham prefer kita the age limit kan head life post name the role of the project sapuli yang tu responsible for the management of all aspects of the project activities kumta tatar ka monthly salary kan de life for 4000 shibnai te kan de contractual labor new lamnu te kan de ka application form may fill online in the mention Google form kin ai ra Google form phe pandap ba Google form te pila ngan sabu apa description ru pila ban late ru shapok official website jongka NEIGRIHMS ban yo gini gi detail bede berkani phap scan ik document phap you upload apok ka Google form te hangner long no scan relevant document are to be email along with the copy of your submitted form to the following email ID wansalan@gmail.com scan ik document jong pi rengkat bai kata ka pi submit apok ka Google form phaban send ang ba ka email nakane ka wansalan@gmail.com. Shortlisted candidate will be intimate through NEIGRIHMS website or email. Kin sa pentip kita gelas tu hi ba apply kin sa tu ya kata kin sa laban intimate lang ba email ba PI ne lang ba ka official website. Te namta kan ne ka last date of submission of form will be 2 weeks from the date of publication of this advertisement in the institution website, that is 17 October 2023. Te kamor ba ka last date jong kan de khanya tarik October arjar apply sakan mau ki buka ban apply sa apply. And a tentative date for offline interview for a shortlisting date will be on the 30 October 2020. Te kandon ka interview te namta kata ka ne ka interview kan de live tarik will be on the 30 October 2023. Ye ki candidate kin saja pentip lamba ka email lene lamba ka ne ka official website jongka NEIGRIHMS. Te artli part kini pada ki de post kan ne ka way ka de ka librarian post ma. Application are invited for a post of librarian for Saint Dominic's College Shillong. Applicant must be qualified as per UGC norms. Contact 0364 253 7772 lane /9089000130. Email admin@saintdominicscollege.com. Te kibala puli nam ta librarian kitib ha te sale ekabron kam hilada fikwa id bakhabne filaban contact kini nomor glad ayang ne kalong ko bunu ka de kumno namta ne filaban email ro de ay email namta kane kapus librarian te saka way part kane pade kari kapus kam hikai kade application invited for one post of assistant teacher in standard form. Educational qualification as laid down under NCTE and RTE Act 2019 with DLN and MTED LP certificate. Age as on 1/1/23 as prescribed by the state government. Application with certificate, mark sheet and testimonial degree attested should reach on or before 28 October 2020. Happen poi hal in Shwak Arfratrik October arjar fly. Secretary Gorkha Patshala LP School Mauprem Shillong kane kade Mauprem sepen poi ki application form jong pi hal ne Shwak Arfratrik jong banai October nam ta kane post assistant teacher te ke bokwa ban apply sale ekablan kam te tangine jong tip ki santali ki post ban batai te sale ekablan kam ka link sabu op description te kini ki ba yu ngada batai lo dang to ki jon kamera sa page bah Shwak pin apply sale ekablan kam te tangine hi khublei shibun.